Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sanjoli Jain. I am professor in Takshila Business School. So we are going to start business statistics class today. So today we will start with introduction of business statistics. We will include features like types of business statistics, advantages of business statistics, functions, limitations, and various tools. But before understanding business statistics, we should understand what is statistics. Statistics is very important part of our life. We use statistics in almost each and every field. It has different meaning for different people. For a cricketer, statistics refer to a number of runs or average of the runs scored by him. For an environmentalist, statistics refer to quantity of pollutants released into the atmosphere by all type of vehicles. For an census department, statistics refer to information about the birth rate, death rate, or sex ratio. And for a common person like us, statistics refer to increase or decrease in the petrol prices, number of crimes increase or decrease in our city. Okay, so we can say in a definition mode, statistics is concerned with scientific method of collecting, organizing, summarizing, presenting and analyzing data and making reasonable decisions on the basis of such analysis. We can define it. Many people have defined in their own way. We can define it. Statistics is aggregate of facts. Aggregate of facts means not a single fact or not a single number can define statistics. Suppose if it is a national income, you cannot say the national income of 1 year. This is statistics. But when you say national income of last 10 years, then this is statistics. It affected to a marked extent by multiplicity of causes. It means statistics are affected by number of things. For example, suppose for a sale of product, there are a lot of things is dependent. For example, like price, quality, competition, income of the consumer, they all are dependent for the sale of a product. If it is numerically expressed means the data is quantitative always. Estimated accurately. Accuracy is very much needed in order to avoid wrong conclusions. Collected in a systematic manner. If it is collected in haphazard manner, then it will not be reliable. For a predetermined purpose means the purpose should always be clear. And place in relation to each other. Data should either have relation or comparable with each other. Now comes to types of statistics. We have two types of statistics. One is descriptive statistics and the another one is inferential statistics. So what is this descriptive statistics? Descriptive statistics is a statistical methods that are used for collecting, presenting, depicting the center, spread and shape of the data. Methods of the descriptive statistics include graphic data and numeric data. Graphic data is represented by pie diagrams, bar graphs and histograms, and numerical data is presented by mean, median, mode, skewness and kurtosis. Second comes inferential statistics. It allows you to make predictions or inferences from the data. In this, we take out the sample and make generalization about a population. It talks about the assumption, it talks about the hypothesis, it talks about the various tests like z-test, t-test, chi-square, MANOVA, ANOVA and many other tests. So now comes function of these statistics. So the first function of statistics is to simplify complex facts. The raw data is often complex sometimes. The function of statistics is to simplify large mass of numerical data and present them into an intelligible form. The second function is to provide comparative study. Statistical devices like average, ratios, percentage, rates, coefficients, standard error, etc. provide the best way of comparison in statistics. The next function is to formulate policies in different fields. Formulation of policies in different fields like economics, social and business, for example, export-import policy, for example, social welfare policy, wages, taxation, etc., etc. The another function of statistics is to test a hypothesis. One of the most important feature to make of hypothesis is to make assumptions, to formulate hypothesis and to test that hypothesis and discover a new theory. The another function of the statistics is to forecast, making estimates about future on the basis of past and present trends is forecast, and it is one of the important and basic function. The another function is to classify data. Statistical methods help us to arrange the data in groups according to their common characteristics. This facilitates analysis and comparison.